Fish Not Feelings. I'm here with my friend Kayla. I'm on my Scout Inflatable, got the motor all set up and everything. But we're gonna head out to the Long Beach Breakwaters. Goal is to catch some sheepheads. I'm throwing out big swim baits to try to catch like big calicos or something like that. But yeah, it'll probably take us like 15 minutes to get out there, but I'll see you guys out there. So we're at the Long Beach Breakwaters, or Breakwall, on the outside. We're gonna go for some sheepheads and calicos. This is the swim bait I'm using. It's the Yunique anchovy swim bait. I think it's 6 inches. I got it on a weighted owner hook, size 8.0 I think, and the weight is 1/4 ounce. Going for big calicos here, that's the goal. So I'm just letting it sink to the bottom and reel it in slowly. If I don't have any luck with this one, I might just downsize it and use a smaller swim bait. Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Go, first fish of the day, Kayla. This is just one of those slow days.
One hour later.
Shoot for like, we could explore this island a little closer too and like check out like the different angles and sides of it, because I've only fished at that point over there. Oh, I got something.
Oh shit, let's
oh,
go,
shit.
Jason.
Oh, whoa, this one's fighting pretty hard.
Hold on. Get mine out of the way. Let's go, Jason! Dude.
What is it? Dude, it's fighting pretty hard.
Dude.
I wasn't even paying attention.
I know. It's always when we're not paying attention.
Dude, this one feels pretty big, not gonna lie.
Dude, what do you think it is?
I don't know. It's pretty big.
It's fighting pretty good. Shit.
Oh, wow. Look at that sand bass. Holy shit. Can I get the neck? Oh, shit. Dude, that's a good sized sand bass. Oh my god. Hold up. Holy shit. That's my personal best sand bass. God damn. He like fucking destroyed that. Hold on.
Yeah, hold
that
that.
some line.
Okay.
Dude, I wasn't even like paying attention. Whoa, let's go. Holy shit.
Need pliers?
I think I got
Yeah,
it.
okay.
Holy shit, he like pumped on that.
Dude, that's a good size.
Got pretty much my personal best sand bass right here. Looks like 15 inches. I wasn't even paying attention. I had like my my little hookup bait at the bottom. I was just fixing something and I was reeling it in, and that's when it bit. But look at him chomp on that. Holy shit, he ate that. Woo! Oh my god. You can take a picture of me, Kayla?
Yeah, yeah.
Cool. Thanks, buddy. Show you these. Look, he's like biting my finger. There he goes. He's gone.
Fuck you when you're fucking fishing.
I know. So I wasn't having much luck with the big swim bait, so I downsized it to the wet Bandit bait and jigs. 2 bait right here, the red color one. I think it's about like a 1/4 ounce or 1/2 ounce, and that's why I caught that sand bass. So pretty much with this tube bait, I'm casting it out, letting it sink, and as it sinks, it does this motion, and the tail is supposed to attract a fish to bite. So a lot of the action just comes from it falling and sinking down like that. Oh, we got one!
I got
Woo!
one.
Kayla's got one!
Oh shit. Oh, I missed it.
Is it pretty big?
It feels pretty big.
Okay, I'll get the net ready.
I feel like he's hiding under a rock though.
Kayla's got one. We weren't having much luck at the break wall, so we're fishing at the oil rig
I
islands.
think he went under a rock.
Oh really? Maybe he'll come out in a bit. Yeah. He might eventually come out. Hey, he's smart, dude.
I know, yes. He heard you.
I know, huh? Can you imagine it's the same one?
That'd be funny.
It's really greedy. You still film or anything, or? Was that pretty close to the rocks or something when you cast it?
No,
No, not huh?
Yeah.
That's what I thought
Halfway
too.
from here. I don't know. Maybe there is like one rock out here.
Yeah,
Or
mine was
pipe.
like, cause when I wasn't paying attention, mine was like kind of like maybe like 10 feet away.
Yeah.
Oh. There's like guess there's like little rocks around. Oh, I see him like. Oh, he looks like he's out. Is he? Oh shit.
There we go. Yeah.
Yeah, he got out. Let's go. All right, let me record you. And
Feels like
yeah, it's probably a sand bass.
it's just dead weight now. He's not even fighting anymore.
All right, so he was stuck on the rock, and Kayla got him out.
There we go.
That's not bad too. That's a pretty good size one.
Yeah.
There we go.
Let's go.
That's a good size one. Let's go. Yeah, there's a lot of big sand basses here. All right. You want a picture of him too?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, good shit, Kayla.
Let's go.
So we started our day looking for calico bass and sheepheads at the Long Beach Breakwater, but we weren't having much luck at all. Nothing was biting. Kayla had like maybe like 1 bite, but it's like a small fish. So we decided to change it up. We stopped by the oil rig islands. You know, decided to target some sand bass, and what do you know? I caught my personal best sand bass. It was about 15.5 inches, biggest sand bass I've caught around here. I've caught big sand basses on like the charter boats, but I don't really count that because I didn't throw a lure. But we're happy to like end our day without a skunk, you know. 2 sand basses, 1 for each person. We're about to head back now, calling it a day. We're pretty tired already, and it just seems like it's a little slow today anyways. But yeah, thanks for watching.